You know, I love Pilates for scoliosis because I feel that it's very important for the person to have a strong core. And what is better for core strengthening than Pilates? The problem is when people think, oh, I'm going to do Pilates in exclusion. I'm only going to do Pilates. No, that doesn't fly. You got to add the Pilates into a scoliosis-specific exercise program, and then it really works. I see many of my patients do Pilates, and it only does good for them. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.